What's up, my fine feathered friends, my growers, my gardeners? It's really late tonight. I've been busy today. But anyway, greenhouse. Um, really some cool stuff going on in here. So it's actually very full compared to the last time you saw it, which was propagating these Alsobias. And don't worry, I don't just have the one. There's a whole tray down here. But really, what I kind of want to show you here first is this tray that I got right here. It is full of just everything under the sun. We got lemon verbena, we got Vix plant, Plectranthus argentatus, Plectranthus coleoides, we got bonsai mint. I'm just saying the common names for ones I can't remember. We got Monarda didyma, we got olive trees, and these are all beauty berries up here. And actually, since I got these in here, everything's rooting really fast and really well, so I'm super happy about that. But, bad news, I did actually lose my Plectranthus amboinicus variegata. I tried to save it, I tried to get cuttings going, I tried basically everything I could think of to actually get those going. I just can't ever do it how I need to do it. I did it 1 year, which was last year. Well, this year, I guess, technically. But unfortunately, I did lose that. Now, it is from a local greenhouse. Actually, now that I think about it, I got them to last like 2-3 years. But I lost it this year. So, I'll just get another one next year. That's really unfortunate. That was one of my favorite ones, but you live and you learn. Don't play with the frost. It doesn't play nice. So I guess the plan for today is to just kind of go through everything that I've got in my greenhouse, and it's very clustered. I'll say that. I really would like to get a bigger one, or even a hothouse would be really nice, because this is getting a little over full. I have a lot more plants than I did when I first got this, which was, I think, maybe right after Christmas or something like that. So down here we got our Alsobia dianthiflora that I made another video about. Be sure to check that one out. They're all establishing pretty well. These are the cuttings right here, actually, and they're doing decently. So that's good. We got our, what's it called? So this is Pilia glauca. Now, I know this looks like garbage. Okay, calm down. Green Plectranthus is Plectranthus australis. This is Photonia, a nerve plant. I believe this was like electric white or something. It's doing super nice. I'm actually going to move this up further just so we can get back here. Don't know what this is called right here. We are losing Plectranthus australis leaves. Not sure what this is called. Can't remember. Here's a whole thing of Pilia glauca right there. Super cool looking. Kind of viney. I just keep it in there like that. This is where it's a mess. So, there's our bonsai mint. Here's our Plectranthus argentatus. We got our Plectranthus coleoides way back in there. Got a purple Plectranthus, Plectranthus purpuratus there. Another one here. We got guacamole Plectranthus back there. I think that's it. We're going to say that's it, not worry about it. This one is another, oh my god, I just said it. Another Alsobia dianthiflora. I think this might be the original, but it is about to flower at some point here, so I'm very excited about that. I brought some pennyroyal in. That's not a pennyroyal plant right there. That might be chickweed. I'm just gonna leave it in there, see what it does. Obviously, all of this really nice perpetual basil growing right up through there. I move that. We got this thing. Oh, what's this called? So Peperomia verticillata red. So this has really cool underside of the leaves that's red. You can actually propagate this from the leaves, which is really interesting. You can actually see, well, those aren't doing it. Those aren't doing it. I think that one's, maybe. Probably not. I don't know. I've done it. Might actually, no, actually I sold it, I think, for like 51 cents. Somebody bought it after I took my sign down. More Plectranthus australis I'm trying to save. That's a bunch of cuttings that I shouldn't leave in there. The remains of our Plectranthus amboynicus right there. Lots of cuttings that have just been growing in water for forever. Somehow they knew to flower, even though they don't receive any natural light, and temperature shouldn't have fluctuated that much, but I don't know. This is called String of Pillows. It did really well, and then the frost outside cut it back really badly. That's all that's left of it. It seems to be doing okay again. And the original pot, or no, that's a cloned pot of Plectranthus coleoides. And that's all that remains of our Vix plant. Doing better now that I pruned it. And obviously I have all these cuttings down here, so I'm not going to lose them all. Outside of the greenhouse, we have the lemon verbena. It hates that it has no light. Our olive tree again, and then our peppers right here. Now, unfortunately, that's really all I have to show you right now. It is dark outside, not a whole lot going on. Hopefully, I'll be able to show you something on Thursday, is what I'm shooting for, Tuesday or Thursday. So, really, the upload schedule that I've been trying to follow has been Sunday, Thursday, and a Yappin' Plants video somewhere in there, usually on a Tuesday. I don't think I did one last week. I think I might have did a live stream, and that was it. I'm trying to do more live streams as well, but you know, I just want to thank anybody that kind of watches to the end of the videos, leaves comments on the shorts or the long form videos, likes, things like that, even shares. I would really appreciate if you send this to any of your plant friends that really are into plants. I try to specialize really in the order of Lamiales. I study them. Study a lot of them. I have been doing so much work with seeds, and I actually just got some really cool ones today. But unfortunately, I'm not going to be telling you about those just yet. So yeah, anything you can do to kind of interact with the video, it'll really push it out further, and hopefully I will be able to get a bigger greenhouse at some point, and you could be directly responsible for that if you just kind of push my videos a little more, interact with them, watch them all the way through, as you've done now, and I'm assuming you're doing now. But yeah, just like, thanks to anybody that does that, and hopefully there will be something cooler coming out Tuesday or Thursday. It's a busy time of year. Getting laid off soon. So, no, I'm working on it. Okay. It'll be okay. It's okay if you say it's okay. Remember that.